Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Daily.
Hi, everyone. It's really nice to have you with us today.
Yes, thank you for joining us and listening again.
Today, we have a calm and gentle topic:
We will talk about feelings in English.
what to say and how to say it in a simple and comfortable way.
Many English learners feel nervous about talking about feelings
Yes, because feelings are personal,
and sometimes difficult to explain.
even in your first language.
That's very true.
Tom, how are you feeling right now?
Right now, I feel calm and a little relaxed.
Oh, that's nice to hear.
Yes, talking slowly helps me feel calm.
I feel the same way. I feel comfortable right now.
Comfortable is a very good word.
Yes, it means I feel okay and safe.
That's a nice feeling to have. Many people ask, "How are you?"
Yes, we hear this question every day.
At work, at school, with friends.
And many people answer the same way.
They say, "I'm fine."
Yes, always, I'm fine.
But "I'm fine" is not the only answer.
That's right.
There are many simple answers.
And you can choose one that feels right for you. If you feel happy, what can you say?
I can say, "I feel happy today."
That is clear and easy.
I can also say, "I feel good today."
Yes, that sounds very natural.
If I feel very happy, I can say, "I feel very happy."
Or, I feel great today.
Oh yes, great is a nice word.
It shows strong happiness. Tom, when do you usually feel happy?
I feel happy when I finish my work.
Oh, I understand that feeling.
Yes, I feel relaxed and happy at the same time.
I feel happy when I talk to kind people.
That's a lovely feeling.
It makes my day feel lighter.
Now, let's talk about feeling tired.
Oh yes, many people feel tired,
Very often,
especially in the morning.
in the morning, I often feel sleepy and slow.
Me too.
I usually say, "I feel sleepy this morning."
That sounds very natural. Sometimes I say, I need some time to wake up.
Oh, I like that sentence.
It means my body and mind are still slow.
Yes, that happens to many people. After breakfast, how do you feel?
I feel better after breakfast.
Me too.
I say, I feel better now.
That's an easy sentence to remember. During the day, feelings can change again.
Yes, when work is busy.
Or when school is busy.
I often feel stressed in the afternoon.
Oh, really?
Yes, because I have many things to do.
When I feel stressed, I say, "I feel stressed today."
That is clear and honest.
Sometimes I add, "I have a lot of work."
That explains the feeling very well. Tom, do you talk about your feelings with friends?
Yes, I do.
How do you start?
I start with something simple. I say, "I feel tired today."
That sounds very natural.
Or, "I feel a bit stressed this week."
Oh, that is a good example. Sometimes people ask, are you okay?
Yes, that's a common question.
What can we say then?
I can say, "I'm okay, just a little tired."
That sounds friendly and calm. Or, I'm okay, but I feel a bit nervous today.
That is very clear. What if you don't want to talk too much?
Then I keep it short.
For example,
I'm okay.
simple and polite.
But sometimes we want to talk more.
Yes, when we feel comfortable.
Then we can add one more sentence.
That's a good idea.
For example, I'm fine, but a little tired today.
That sounds very natural. Now let's talk about feeling sad.
Yes, this is a quiet feeling.
And sometimes hard to say.
When I feel sad, I say, I feel sad today.
That is honest and simple.
Or, I feel a little sad today.
That sounds gentle.
Sometimes I say, I don't feel very good today.
Oh, that's very useful.
It feels softer than saying, sad.
Yes, and still very clear. What makes you feel sad sometimes?
I feel sad when I miss my family.
I understand that feeling.
Talking about it helps me feel better.
Yes, sharing feelings can help a lot.
Now let's talk about feeling nervous.
Oh yes, many people feel nervous.
Before a test,
Before a meeting.
before speaking English.
When I feel nervous, I say, "I feel nervous."
Very clear.
Or, "I feel a little nervous about tomorrow."
That sounds very natural. You can say what you feel nervous about.
Yes, like, "I feel nervous about my job interview."
That explains everything. Do you feel nervous when you speak English?
Sometimes, yes.
Oh, really?
Yes, but I still try.
That's important.
I say, "I feel nervous, but I want to practice.
That sounds positive and strong. Let's talk about feeling angry or upset.
Yes, this is a strong feeling.
But we can still talk about it calmly.
I say, I feel angry.
Or, I feel upset.
Upset sounds softer.
Yes, many people prefer that word.
When do you feel upset?
I feel upset when plans change suddenly.
Oh, I understand that.
I like plans, so changes make me uncomfortable.
Me too.
I also say, I'm not happy about this.
That's a very useful sentence.
It is clear, but not too strong.
Let's talk about feeling excited.
Oh, that's a fun feeling.
Yes, I like that feeling too.
I say, I feel excited.
Or, I'm excited about the weekend.
Yes, about a trip or a plan.
I feel excited about learning new things.
That's great.
It makes me feel active and happy.
Feelings often come together.
Yes, not just one feeling.
You can feel nervous and excited.
Or tired, but happy.
For example, I feel nervous but also excited.
That is a very good sentence.
It sounds real and natural.
Sometimes we don't know how we feel.
Yes, that happens.
What can we say then?
I don't know how I feel right now.
That is very honest.
Or, I feel a bit confused.
Oh, that's very useful.
In the evening, how do you usually feel?
In the evening, I feel more relaxed.
Me too.
I say, I feel relaxed now.
That's a good sentence to practice. At night, I feel calm and quiet.
That sounds peaceful.
Nighttime helps me slow down.
How do you feel when you finish a hard day?
I feel tired, but proud.
Proud is a great word.
Yes, because I did my best.
Talking about feelings does not need perfect English.
Yes, simple English is enough.
Short sentences are okay.
And clear words are best. Let's do one slow practice together.
Okay.
I will say a feeling.
And I will make a sentence.
Calm.
I feel calm right now because we are talking slowly.
Very good. Stressed.
I feel stressed today because I have many things to do.
That sounds very natural. Happy.
I feel happy today, and it makes my day better.
Excellent.
Listeners can try this too.
Yes, try one feeling today.
Just one sentence is enough.
Say it slowly and calmly.
We are almost at the end of today's episode.
Yes, thank you for staying with us.
Today, we talked about feelings in English.
What to say and how to say it simply. We hope you feel more confident now.
And more comfortable using English.
Try to talk about your feelings a little each day.
Even one sentence is enough.
Thank you for listening.
We're really glad you're here.
Take care of yourself.
And your feelings too.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.